Here's the oil pan right here. We're going to be putting on the 6.2 liter LS3 engine. Make sure you put some Loctite in that bolt that's holding the pickup tube. That way it don't come off. Make sure you use some high-temp sealant where all the surfaces mate together around your oil pan on the four corners.
Are you working on an LS swap? Or do you have the desire to do an LS swap that run like this? I'm satisfied, you too. 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. Looking at maybe almost 600 horsepower. We ain't put it on the dyno yet, YouTube. We did our own wiring. We show y'all how to do the wiring, YouTube. Step by step. We did our fuel system. We show you how to do the fuel system as well. Step by step, YouTube. Everything you need to know. LS swap, baby. Either way it go, you gonna need to know how to install your oil pan the right way, YouTube, to match your specific application. And it's very important to make sure that you install that oil pan so that it don't leak. Today, YouTube, I'm gonna show you exactly how to change your oil pan on your LS style engine or on your LS swap, so you never have to worry about it leaking, YouTube. Some of these LS swaps, you have to take the motor back out to change the oil pan gasket. You don't want to go through all that, YouTube. Make sure you click that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you see all the videos when we post them. And I need for you to drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with Chevys R Us, Tone. Let Chevys R Us help you do your LS swap, YouTube. We a family, man. We gonna do this thing together. Y'all ready? Let's get it, YouTube. YouTube, it's your boy Tone. Coming back at y'all, man, one more again with Chevys R Us YouTube channel. I'm excited like I always am. We out here in the garage this morning. We actually gonna be putting our oil pan on the 6.2 liter, the LS3 engine that we got for the 72 convertible Impala. So we're gonna be, here it is right here, let me show it to y'all. Boom, 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 boom. That's the oil pan right there, y'all. We're gonna be putting on this 6.2 liter engine right here. Y'all see that 6.2 liter? Yeah, there it is right there. Y'all see it? So we're gonna be doing that today. First things first, we're gonna get this engine on the hoist. So it's actually already on the motor stand, but I want to connect the hoist to it too, so we'll be over secure. So we'll be back with y'all in a minute, YouTube. All right, YouTube. As y'all can see, man, I got the pickup tube inserted in the oil pump right there. Let me get back so y'all can see. Got this thing right here. Put some Loctite on it. Actually, let me turn the phone like this so you can see. Gotta put some Loctite in that bolt right there, holding the pickup tube into the oil pump. Put Loctite on that bolt. Put Loctite on these guys right here. Loctite on that guy. And Loctite right here. Right there. Right on that stud there. Those are the studs that hold the pickup tube. So let me get this all tightened back up and I'll be back with you in a minute, YouTube. All right, YouTube, as y'all can see, I want to show y'all
right on the edges. Put that seal it right on the edges. You want to put that in the four corners, right where all the surfaces made up together. That way you get a good seal, because it's really prone to leak around the edges right there. So that silicone that we apply right there in all four corners, that's gonna help us. And then we also put a thin bead of silicone on the oil pan itself. As y'all can see, that little small thin bead. And we're gonna take this new gasket and stick this new gasket right on top of that. And then we're gonna put another little thin little bead on top. And then we'll be ready to replace the oil pan. All right, YouTube, be back with you in a minute. All right, YouTube. Y'all see that little block of wood I got right there? That's replicating the bell housing. That way I brought a bolt to this bottom oil pan bolt right here. And it pulls the oil pan back that way whenever I bolt that in there like that. It pulls it back and flushes it up with this right here. That way, you know, you're not doing nothing. You're not bolting the oil pan down and it needs to slide back and forth right in the right spot. So, all right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these torqued, and then I'll take that off, put it back on the motor stand. All right, be back with y'all in a minute, YouTube. Here go the oil pan right here. I got the oil pan gasket drilled off. They hold the oil pan gasket on with 2 rivets. I drilled them out, and now I'm just taking this little diffuser out of the oil pan so that I can wipe this thing down and clean it up real good. And that way I can wipe it down, blow it off, and just make sure it's really cleaned out. No particles, no dirt, no metal, no wood, no nothing is in here. So we're just gonna imp that out and wipe it down and blow it out. We'll be back with you in a minute, YouTube. All right, YouTube. Before I put this oil pan on, let me take this off now. This thing actually has a rivet hole. This goes down here like this, and then right in this little hole right here, a rivet goes right in there. So I'm gonna put this here, and I'm gonna put some pot rivets in it. Let me sit this down. Let me see if I can sit this down. Right there. Just like that. Alright, YouTube. Got the oil pan gasket. Got the pot riveting on right there. Y'all see the pot rivet? Pot rivet. All on nice and tight. Just gotta put it up there now. So I'll be back with you in a minute. Alright, YouTube. There it is. Got the oil pan on, as y'all can see. Got it all nice and tight. So yeah, that's one more thing we got underneath our belt. One thing down in the bucket. So we'll see y'all in the next video, man. We're gonna be putting the motor mounts on next. So we'll see y'all in a minute, YouTube.